You found a packaging supplier with attractive prices and promising offers. But before placing an order, there's one important question. Can you really trust them? For many buyers, verifying a supplier isn't easy. How do you know if they own a real factory? Are their certifications valid? Can they actually deliver what they promise? The best way to reduce supplier verification risks is through transparency. A reliable supplier should openly provide company information, factory details, certifications, and clear communication channels. At HAPLAST, transparency is part of how we build trust. We openly share our company profile, certifications, production capabilities, and factory information. We also welcome customers to visit our manufacturing facilities and connect directly with our team. Because choosing the right packaging supplier starts with having the right information. Looking for a packaging partner you can verify and trust? Contact HAPLAST today.